Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you are going to premiere your video using your mobile phone. Okay, so first you need to click your YouTube and then okay, so let's start from the very beginning. Okay, so this is my channel, and here on the bottom part there's a plus here. You need to click that and then click upload. So now you need to choose which video you are going to upload. So I need to click here the first one. Hi everyone, and then click next. I'm gonna show you. And then now you need to put the title. Okay, so I'm gonna put how to create AdSense account. Okay, so this is my title, and then now here there's a public here. You need to click that public, and as you can see here, public, set as instant premiere, unlisted, or private. So you need to click this one, set as instant premiere, but here there's a word here, schedule. So you need to click that, and you are going to set up the date and the time of your premiere video when you're gonna do the premiering. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, for example, today is Thursday, so that's Thursday, and click OK. And then now I'm gonna check the time. So the time right now is 11:42, so I'm gonna choose 12 a.m. Okay, so it's gonna be 12 a.m. but this one it's gonna be Friday. Okay, because tomorrow is Friday. Okay, there you go. So 12 a.m. So you need to click OK. Then here on the bottom, don't forget to set as premiere. So when you're done here, you need to click here the arrow back and then upload. Okay, so if you want to add more your locations or add to a playlist, you can do that. So you can, I want to use it as educational. Okay, so when you're done clicking, click your playlist. So you need to click upload. Okay, there you go. So you just only need to wait when it's ready to upload. Okay, so it's here. I don't know what is this. It's rejected. Okay, I need to double check that later. Okay, so here it's already processing.